What's going on, guys? Danny from Slow Restoration, and as you can see, we have the red Extreme out of the garage, off the lift finally. I don't think we'll need that for any more mock-up on this, so we have that moved out. It will be moved in. We did need the lift today. Unfortunately, I did not get a whole lot accomplished. I didn't get anything accomplished to LS Extreme. The exhaust is actually still sitting here tentatively mocked up. But still needs some fine tuning before we can put it back on and finish that up. So today I got absolutely nothing to this done. Did have a Jeep in here. I was able to get some stuff done too. That's why we had to move the Red Extreme out, but it needed to be moved anyway. So we'll probably move the LS Extreme back over to the lift and get it put back up in the air and get the exhaust finished up and get a couple more things buttoned up. And that actually is my point of the video today. My video point today is not, we didn't, like I said, we didn't get anything accomplished, but we were supposed to have this weekend this truck completely finished and that Motorama. Obviously it's Tuesday night and it's not gonna make it. As I said before, we never reserved our spot. So that kind of threw a hitch in the plan, I guess. I was able to contact them. They thought they could still get me in, but some things came up and we just, weather being a major cause, we just did not get this truck done. Very disappointed that I didn't make the deadline, but we're not going to stop on the truck. We're going to keep going. We're going to finish it. We'll figure out a reveal of some other sort, and we'll figure something out. But like I said, not really nothing done to this truck. Did get the Extreme moved and got a job in here and done. But sometimes in life in general, and sometimes there's just more important things than finishing a project. Sometimes you just got to take care of business, and life goes on. You move on. Sometimes, like I said, there's just more important things in life than getting a job done. So anyway, hopefully this video actually looks a little better. I do want to thank Steve Fast from Hammerdown Motorsports. Sorry, Steve. Hammerdown Motorsports. Check him out. He's building a new shop. It looks like a pretty awesome shop. It's way bigger than my shop. I think my whole shop would fit in and then some. So his shop build is looking really good, and he's got a bunch of other projects, and he was actually helping me on some of these camera settings tonight. So hopefully it looks better. Hopefully it improves the quality. I'm still amateur, so probably isn't going to improve it that much, but we're working on it, guys. As always, we want to thank a bunch of the other smaller YouTube guys. Some of them not so small, but Sendit Steve. Probably a lot of you watching right now may have came from him, from his channel, so I really appreciate that. We picked up a lot of subscribers from that and would like to continue to grow, so we're always looking to collaborate with other YouTubers. Like I said, Hammerdown Motorsports, we've been talking about doing something. He's just really busy right now, and the weather's been absolutely horrible. Pristine auto detail, I didn't forget you, Chad. I do want to get the Camaro there and get it detailed. Again, the weather's been horrible. So Truck Guy Joe, definitely check out his channel if you're not already subscribed. I think you'll be hard pressed to meet a nicer guy anywhere. Joe's very genuine and very knowledgeable about trucks, so check him out. And there's a bunch of other channels. I'm sure I'm forgetting somebody, but a couple people, but so don't get mad at me. But I do appreciate all the support, guys, and I enjoy all the comments. I try my best to get back to everybody. Sometimes it might take me a little while to actually get back to you and get your question answered or re-commented on, but I do try to get to everybody. And honestly, I don't know how some of the bigger guys keep up with all that stuff, and I guess some of them just don't. But for right now, we're definitely able to keep up with everyone, and we try, like I said, to answer every comment. So thanks again for all the support. unfortunately today, like I said, there's not much work going on, and I don't really like that, but sometimes it's going to happen. We're definitely trying for daily uploads. We've been trying to hit every day, and this video is just a continuation of that. We'll definitely get back in the shop probably tomorrow. We got some other stuff to do again, but we'll get back in the shop tomorrow and get something done. So there will be some work done on this truck tomorrow. We do have the CAD for this, like I said, down at the paint shop where I do my paint work and block sanding, priming, stuff like that, trying to get it ready for paint. It's still not painted, or it would be back on the CAD or the frame at this point, but we'll get that done. And actually a bunch of parts for this car were dropped off. The customer took the subframe, the whole front fenders, inner fenders and stuff, and had them all blasted. So we need to get some primer on them and get them painted. We're not quite ready to go back on this car, but all that stuff's bare metal, so it definitely needs to have some primer sprayed on it. We'll get that done too. And like I said, after this truck's done, that is next in line. So it's another restoration project, and it's kind of a resto mod project. We're doing mini tubs and a complete rear suspension kit. I think it's a Speed Tech suspension kit, brand new 9-inch, a 5-speed TKO transmission. The customer has a big block for it, so this is going to be a really nice car. And of course, we still have the other resto mod Camaro back in the corner there that will be worked on here real soon too. Just all the work I put into this exhaust system, I'm very anxious to see how it sounds. So we really need to get working on getting this thing fired up. First things, well, get the cat painted and get it back on here, and then we can start doing all the other hookup work, which actually shouldn't take all that long. Like the interior on one of these trucks, I've had many of them out, so it goes back together quickly. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. Have a good day.